On question number 23, I want to condense this using my rules. So I'm going to use the power rule to bring up that 2, and then I'm going to use the product rule to combine those two logarithms on the right. So this will be log of x squared is equal to log of, now using the product rule you want to multiply the insides. So you're distributing that 2. So it will be 6x minus 8. So now everything is on the insides of logarithms of the same base, which means you can now just focus on the stuff that's on the inside. So x squared is equal to 6x minus 8. And if you solve this equation, then you solve the original equation. So I have a squared and an x. Whenever you have an x squared and an x, you usually want to move everything onto one side and 0 on the other and try factoring. So let's do that. I'm going to move the 6x over and then the 8 over. So I have x squared minus 6x plus 8 is equal to 0. And then I want to factor. So this is x minus 4 times x minus 2 is equal to 0. And then set x minus 4 equal to 0, x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 4 and x is equal to 2. And I'm almost out of room. So we need to check these in the original to make sure that it does not make the inside of a logarithm negative or 0. So if you plug in 4 here, that's okay. If you plug in 4 here, that's okay. If you plug in 2 here, that's okay. If you plug in 2 here, that's also okay. So my final answer will be 4 and 2.